Program Overview. The X-47B is a fighter-sized tailless unmanned combat aircraft developed by Northrop Grumman as part of the UCAS Unmanned Combat Air System. Developed by the United States Navy. Career Demonstration Program. Under a contract signed in 2007, the company designed, built, and is currently in flight testing 2 of his X-47B aircraft. In 2013, these aircraft were used to demonstrate the first-ever carrier-based launch and recovery by a related, hard-to-observe unmanned autonomous aircraft. In April 2015, the X-47B once again made aviation history with the first-ever autonomous aerial refueling (AAR) of an unmanned aerial vehicle. AAR unlocks the full potential of what unmanned surveillance, attack, and reconnaissance systems can do to support the Navy. These historic demonstrations solidify the concept of future unmanned aerial vehicles and demonstrate that the X-47B can perform standard missions such as in-flight refueling and work seamlessly with manned aircraft as part of a carrier air wing. Prove it. Foundation for the future. The X-47B UCAS was designed to help the Navy explore the future of unmanned carrier aviation. A successful flight test program sets the stage for the development of a more permanent carrier-based UAV fleet.